we may not be taking illicit drugs, but we may have relatives taking illicit drugs. We may not have relatives taking illicit drugs, but we may have friends of relatives taking illicit drugs. When we look at it globally, it is our national security. It is not knowing what your neighbor may do to you, because illicit drugs alter the state of mind. Illicit drugs directly work on the central nervous system and make one feel what one is not supposed to feel. And that can include violence, terrorism, banditry. And those are the higher levels of societal ills that illicit drugs can result in. It can lead to spouse abuse, failure of children in school, health conditions, of course. As a pharmacist, whenever we deal with the pharmacology of a drug, we talk about the benefits, and then we end up with the side effects. And for almost all drugs, one of the side effects is death. If you take Panadol excessively, it can lead to death. And that's a licit drug, not to talk of illicit drug. So what we are doing here today is for us. It's for the country. It's logical that NDLEA and NAFDAC should work very, very closely together.